Arts program admissions. The total number of seats in BA program are 9,230. In BCom it is 5,980. तो तकरीबन 15,000 के करीब seats हैं through NCWeb for girls of NCT region. The number of colleges in which NCWeb is offered is 26. Admissions to NCWeb are based on the merit score of class 12, which means CUET के आधार पर नहीं होंगे, ये NCWeb में admissions जो हैं आपके class 12 के आधार पर होंगे. Only the women candidates belonging to Delhi NCT can take admission in through NCWeb, and the NCWeb website, registration website, which will become live after this press conference, is ncwebadmission.uot.ac.in. More information regarding NCWeb is published on their bulletin of information, which is already there on our website and on the website of NCWeb.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you, Professor Hani, for giving this chance to SYL for announcing their admissions. Highlights of the admissions of 2024-25 are here in front of you, and before that, I just want to say that in 2022 and 23, we admitted 1,20,069 students. And in 23-24, we admitted 1,44,493 students. There was an increase of 24,000 students in the last year. SYL is committed to reach to those students who are last in the line. In a way that we want to reach to those students with quality education, जो समाज के अंतिम पायदान पर खड़े हैं. तो इसके लिए कुछ प्रोविजंस भी किए गए हैं. Some new provisions are being done. For UG admissions, there will be no CUET required. For PG admissions, only in MBA and library sciences, no CUET will be required. But in rest of the PG programs, we will register through CUET, and the merit will be drawn from CUET itself. Commencement of UG admissions will be from 3rd of June, and from 3rd of June itself, we will have our portal live for registration for postgraduate programs. And the last date of admission is as decided by UGC DEP. E-prospectus again will be available after this press conference, and there are certain financial support schemes which have been announced by which are today. I feel honored to announce these financial assistance scheme. This is for PWD. Then orphans, 2 seats per program where seats are fixed, and where seats are not fixed, then any number of orphans can take admissions. Armed forces and central police forces who are in service, who are retired, and the wards of armed forces and central police armed forces will have special scholarships or financial support scheme on the fees of School of Open Learning. Then transgenders, sole university employees and wards of SYL, sole employees and university employees, they will also have financial support scheme from School of Open Learning. Then meritorious female students scoring 8.5 CGPA and above in first year will have their total fee refund of SYL of the second year. Then FSS for economically weaker sections of the society is also there, and in the last academic year we have announced almost 2 crores of rupees, 2 crores for FSS scheme for economically weaker sections. And in case a student who is enrolled in SYL in 24-25 session gets admission in the regular mode, then till the last date of admission of SYL, the full fee refund will be available after deduction of only 500 rupees as a processing charge. So I request all the students to secure their seat and then apply also for CUET. Once you get admission in the regular mode, you will have the chance to get the full fee refund from SOL. So this way you will be able to secure your seat at least at one point. Then the undergraduate admissions, undergraduate programs which we have is Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA, BMS, BA Honors Economics, English, Political Science, Psychology, BCom Honors and BCom. Then in BA program, these are the major combinations which we are putting it here, but there are 122 combinations for which students can fill up their form. Then the for eligibility for UG admissions. Eligibility for UG admissions for honors courses, it is 45% aggregate in 12th class, and as per 45%, OBC 40.5 and SC/ST is pass in 12th class. Then in the program course, again the 12th class is the basic eligibility in BA program. BA program with computer application, the student has to have either the mathematics or the computer science as a subject in 12th class. And for BA program psychology, again the 12th class is the eligibility. Then these are the postgraduate programs which we are offering. Master of Business Administration, the admission is through merit. And courses under Library and Information Science Department is also under merit. There are 3 courses, BLISC, MLISC and Postgraduate Diploma in Automated and Digital Library Management. Then there are other courses like MA Hindi, History, MCom, Political Science and Sanskrit. The admission will be through the merit of CUET, since the seats are limited. Eligibility, again you can see for the PG program. For MBA it is 50% from any recognized university. The advantage will be given to those who have some experience of working with corporate or anywhere else. Then MCom, MA History, MA Sanskrit and Hindi, the graduation from a recognized university and 50% marks. And then Bachelor of Library Science, again the graduation, and Master of Library Science, BLISC courses from recognized university, and PG DED LAM, again BLIB or MLIB from any recognized university. Now here is just a few highlights of our students who have done very well in the last year. In the last session,